Hey there. Thanks for watching my profit stream review by Glynn Kosky, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This profit stream review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this platform myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now let's see what Profit Stream promises us. Revealed, a $22.9 billion loophole. Pays them to click and drag. Push one button, automated loophole pays them $39 every time they click and drag just one link. Perfect for beginners. The more they click and drag, the more they make money. Without tech skills, without expenses, and without experience. If we go down just a little bit further, on the right-hand side, Glynn Kosky is up to his old tricks again because this looks exactly like the last product that he put out. The only thing he's changed is some of these numbers and maybe some of the wording, but it does look exactly the same. And if we look at his testimonials, I always like to check them out. And with Glynn Kosky, a lot of times if you search these images, you can see that they're not actually real people that wrote testimonials. These are usually stock video or images. So I don't typically believe these testimonials, and it is a trick that he uses quite a bit. Here we are in the Profit Stream dashboard. The first thing you want to do anytime you get a new product is come in and check out the tutorials. Altogether, you get about 25 minutes of training on the actual product of Profit Stream, and the rest of it at about the halfway mark is all of the same stuff that is in Glynn Kosky's training with his traffic strategies and some of his Bitcoin, crypto, and that sort of stuff. You will need to come in and set up an autoresponder with your integrations. He gives you these 9 options to integrate here, and you can do a raw HTML form in a different area if you need to. Now, nowhere in the training or on the sales page or anywhere else does it tell you that you need to come to Profit Stream with actual YouTube video URLs picked out so that you can put them into your site that you're going to build with Profit Stream. This particular video ad needs to be a sales video of the product that you are going to be selling with this website. Now, they don't discuss picking out a product or that you need any of this information. But if you decide Profit Stream is something that you want, you will need to have all of this before you get started. Otherwise, you'll have to take the time to go find it and put it all together. Not only are you going to need a product picked out with your affiliate link and a sales video, you're also going to need banners and sidebars. And if you'll stick with me for just another minute, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. But the affiliate link that you bring needs to be for the product that this video is selling. The training also does a fine job of walking you through how to put in your products. You will have to create folders and then manage your categories. And then you will also need to have a list of videos that you want to show on your site to help you sell your product. Again, creating folders and managing your collection. Campaigns is where your website will actually live. There are some already done for us here in the access that I am using. We'll just take a look at one of theirs. So first thing, when you open this up, it does present itself as a YouTube channel, even though it is a web page. We'll copy this URL so you can see it. So this is what the URL looks like. It's branded for profitstream.com, and they own it. So if anything were to go wrong with this website, you cannot troubleshoot it and have it come back up. You are at the mercy of Profit Stream until they fix it and bring it back online. Here's the banner that you can input. You also input an icon, your name, and you input the number of subscribers. If they try to subscribe, this is why you need an autoresponder so you can collect emails if somebody actually tries to subscribe to a web page that is not a YouTube channel. Your recommended video, this needs to be for the product that you're selling. Not only will it show up here in recommended, if we try to play one of these videos, your ad shows up first with the ability to skip it, as if this is a YouTube channel. If they wanted to start right now, that is your affiliate link. So are all of the buttons on the right. And this is where you would make your money, is if somebody comes in here and clicks this and buys a product from you. If they try to skip the ad, it does take them straight to the YouTube video that you promised them on the previous page. So for somebody to see this site and to have access to these buttons and to be able to click them to buy anything from you, back in the campaign section, they give you traffic. Now you can do what we just did and view it, copy this URL and send this out, but they are giving you this traffic button. And if we click that, this is the ability for you to share this out on your current existing social media lists, whether it be on Twitter, WhatsApp, Tumblr, Line. Flipboard is a little weird because that's a news website, but that's okay. If you were to send this out on any of these social media options or even your email, who are you sending that to? Are you sending that to your friends and family that you share funny things with? Or are you sending that to a group of people that know you do affiliate marketing? They want to buy products from you and they want your recommendations. Because if you do not have people that want to buy from you on these social media sites, you are not going to get any traffic to your video webpage. And if we look back in the dashboard, there is a free traffic button. This is normal in all Glynn Kosky's products. It is not actually free traffic. It is just a list of videos and apps for you to try and see if you can make them work. There is no free traffic coming your way with this particular button. So what's the strategy with Profit Stream? First of all, you're using other people's content here, which can get you into trouble. And I'm going to talk about that in just a second. But you're using other people's content to make a video web page that is pretending to be a YouTube channel to sell affiliate products throughout with banners, sidebar buttons, all with affiliate links, to send out to your current existing social media following on any or all of these platforms. So I have follow-up questions. If we're going to make a video web page that pretends to be a YouTube site, why wouldn't you just make a YouTube site? If we take a look at this article on dummies.com about 10 things to know about copyright in YouTube, first of all, whoever created the video owns the copyright. If you upload content created by someone else, the copyright belongs to that person and you need permission before you upload it. And when someone infringes on copyright, whether it's someone doing it to you or you doing it to someone else, there will be consequences. YouTube takes this breach seriously and will take down the infringing video. If we look behind the scenes at our YouTube channel, there's a copyright button that you receive access to once you're monetized, and it actually goes through and scours YouTube for people who are using your video. This particular person used 90% of my video. I have options now, such as removal requests, which we've done several of. You can also send messages and get the video removed that way. But the reason they're making this a video website is because you aren't able to do this on YouTube. If you were able to do this on YouTube, I still don't think it's a good idea. The reason being is my second question is, with this profit stream page, how do they know it's you? Other than you putting a little icon here in your name, how does your customer know that these are your videos and that you are supporting them? If we take a look at this creator, her channel is Make Money Online Stacy LA. All of these thumbnails are her face. You know this is her. You know you're going to be buying from her or spending your money with her. If we look at this creator on YouTube, this is Andy Heffel. If we look at his page, it's not just a bunch of random people. It's all his face. You know this is what he does, and he becomes the authority and you want to buy from him. You can't get that by using other people's videos in a video webpage. And my third and final question is, who's going to see this? Do you have a following on any of these social media sites that want to buy products from you? Because if you don't, this page isn't going to make you any money. Speaking of money, on the front end, profit stream is $17. This is the same funnel that Glynn Kosky always shows. However, once you get into the product, you realize there are a total of 10 upsells total. I was only able to get the price for 7, and that's going to run you $808. So this is definitely going to be more than that for a product that is pretending to be something that you can actually do for free with the right training. Don't forget, if you are looking for that training, it is in the instant access link in the description below. Guys, Profit Stream is not revealing any billion-dollar loophole. This is making a video web page and sending it out. That is a normal strategy. It is not a loophole. There was no clicking and dragging, but we did do a lot of copy and pasting, and this is going to waste a lot of your time, money, and energy. Don't forget, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click that instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I really hope this Profit Stream review helped you out. Thanks for watching!